Hi guys, it's the 18th of December. Posted a video a couple of days ago about the massive amount of pollen being brought in. Here I am risking life and limb to get up into a tree to look at mistletoe. That's what everybody's been telling me. It's blooming currently. And I've got a little piece of mistletoe here in this tree in the yard. Of course, I'm not really risking life and limb. I'm on a 6-foot step ladder. Sorry about the wind. It storms this morning and sunny now, and storms coming afterwards. But I would say we figured out what the pollen source is, because there's the little blooms. I don't know how close I can get to them to keep it in focus, but it's going blurry right there. But those right there are your blooms. Oh, come on, stay in focus. But yeah, that's your blooms, and I mean this just a small little piece of mistletoe. It's maybe 1.5 2 foot long by maybe 1.5 foot wide, and it is just literally covered with all these little blooms. Well, pinch one off. See if I can't get a good sunny view of it. I don't know if it'll focus up close, but that's what they're bringing in currently, at least here in Southeast Tennessee. Well, I would say we've got that figured out. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, share them. Hope this helped out. Have a great day.